Hi everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Today we have frozen puzzles.
Puzzles.
But I ripped it a little bit a long time ago, so that's okay.
So now let's open it.
Oh, look at the puzzle set.
Right.
Today we can
Let's open it.
fix it by opening with scissors.
Yeah.
And here we have my mummy, which is quite good. But my dad, he just came here only. We're gonna do this.
Let's just pick it up.
Ooh, look at all these puzzles.
A bit more.
And
Can we fix this?
we should play.
Okay, shall we find the corners first? Yeah, let's get the corner, all the corners. There's one corner.
And here's one corner.
Let's get all the corners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got all the pieces.
Wait.
Go on, fix it. Okay.
No, it's too.
Oh, nice. Well done, Maya. Good. And then this one?
Just tap it.
Oh, look. Look what we found.
All the pieces.
Good girl. And then? Which one? Oh. We'll do it like that. Yeah. And then?
Okay. Oopsie.
Oh, there it is. Okay. On that one. Go on. And then? Oh, it's looking really good. Wonderful. Look, it's all coming together. Now we've found both Anna and Elsa's faces. That'll help you. Good, very nice. Well done. Looking good.
Okay.
Let's find some more. Oh, we did it.
But not yet.
Not yet. Oh, there's one missing. All right. Yay.
We finished all the puzzles.
This Anna and Elsa and Olive.
And Anna